it is absolutely important for an employer to have employment contracts in place for the employees. This ensures, first of all, that the employer is compliant with the provisions of the Employment Act, but over and above that, it also provides mechanisms to moderate the relationship between employer and employee. We have been seized of certain cases where an employer doesn't recall the exact terms that apply between themselves and an employee, or has not adequately captured those terms. And these usually are in the areas of disciplinary matters, and that usually is when it comes to us, where the employer is telling us, well, I didn't cover this area, how can I cover the matter? Now, the Employment Act does make certain provisions, but it is well advised for each employer to have an employment contract that clearly stipulates. I think an additional reason why an employer should have an employment contract is also to communicate clearly the DNA of the entity. Some of the institutions that we act for are faith-based, and for them, values are a critical matter, and an employment contract provides an opportunity for an employer to present to the employee the system of values that they abide by and request whether the employee is agreeable to them so that they can join the employer.